Hey everyone, Lucas at Laminex. If you've watched our previous installation videos, you might have noticed that some of the lights we chose to install a Laminex pre-cut kit, while on the others we chose to install a Laminex universal sheet. In this video, I'm going to be going over the differences between these two products to help you determine which to purchase for the easiest installation experience. Starting off with our pre-cut kits, these kits are pre-cut to fit the exact shape of the light you are trying to install on, which makes them really great for the easier level installations such as levels 1 through 3. The pre-cuts also come with handling tabs, so you're able to handle the film without marring the adhesive, which would have resulted in a poor installation otherwise. You will also not have to remove any trim from your vehicle, as the pre-cut is designed to install within the trim bezels. Our pre-cut kits are also great because they require little to no trimming. The only thing you will have to trim are the handling tabs, which can also be tucked underneath the trim bezels in some cases. If you plan on buying a pre-cut, keep in mind that it will require perfect alignment, as the kit perfectly fits the light. It is also not very forgiving when you make a mistake and you have to pull the Laminex up to reinstall it. Moving on to our Laminex universal sheets, these sheets are better for the more difficult installation levels such as levels 4 to 5, and you will have zero alignment issues with our universal sheets as long as you measure the light you are trying to install on correctly. Check out our video on how to measure for a universal sheet to learn how if you don't already know. You can install our universal sheets with the trim bezels missing to make sure you cover the entire light. You can also create custom designs. Our universal sheets are easier to handle and also more forgiving than our pre-cuts when you have to pull the film back up and reinstall it. However, they require a complete trim to fit the light you are trying to cover, which can be way more challenging than it looks. To find out more information about either one of these products, visit our website laminex.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.